Thank you for listening to PConic, another session of a tutorial. Today we're going to go over about our hosting. Our hosting starts at $49.99, and you can go out to our website for more detail. Today I'm going to go about tutorial how to use a Cpanel. Okay, in order to log into your Cpanel, all you have to do, call your domain .com or whatever it is /cpanel, and then you put your desired username and password, and then you will enter this page. And so in order to I'm gonna go beginning and see how each of them will work, each part. So we're gonna start with the you can change your password tutorial. If you want to go a video tutorial, they have it here. And content information about your information, change the style, which is basically allow you to change your style of how you use your Cpanel. I'm just going to change it to this to look at it how it's going to be. Now it changed to this style. It's basically all the same. All it does is change your picture here and the coloring of the background. So we're going to start with the email account. Since our accounts are in unlimited space, unlimited email account, and unlimited email box size. So we go to the email account. I'm gonna create an email account so we can use it. I'm gonna call it engineering at pcionic.com. You can, if you have a subdomains, or you can make them at that, or if you have a two domain, both come to the same Cpanel, you can just choose it here. I choose the password for it. Depending on how good is your password, it let you know it's very strong password I choose. You put your password again. Here it let you know how big your mail box size can be. You can choose unlimited, or you can choose 250. I'm just going to choose unlimited, create the account. See, my account is good. So if I go to my email and I want to sync it with the Outlook, all I have to do, click on more, configure email client. See, it will give you information how to configure it. Auto configuration. You have software that you downloaded and will auto configure with the Outlook, or what else you can do, you can use this setting to manually configure it. Webmail. Webmail is basically to give you an option to check your email online. Basically, for our situation, I'll just go to our website /webmail. Here it give me an option. You have to log in first, and here you can choose between all the different way to check your email. You can choose hoarder, then you choose your language, secure mail, or round cube, which is my favorite. It's a round cube. So let's go back here, and spam assassin is allow you to block unwanted emails. You can learn more of each of them. If you go detail on it, I can go in detail, but in this tutorial I'm just gonna go cover the basic. And if you need any question, just leave a comment so I can respond you on that. Forwards, you can forward any email to another email. Autoresponder allow you to send a message and respond to incoming mails. For example, if somebody email you, right away you send them back, so they know that you received their email. Default address. So, for example, your email is john@pcionic.com, and somebody, instead of they spell it wrong and send it. What happened to that email? It's gone. It doesn't come. You can make this default address the way that whatever you write at Pcionic will come to that John or whatever address. For example, I write hello@pcionic.com, and that email will come to the John if you choose to. Or if you write 123 abcd@pcionic, will come over there. Mailing list allow you to send email to multiple address by specific single address. And then what's user level filtering? User level filtering is allow you to create a mail filters for a specific address. These are the stuff that you don't use it usually, but I'm just going to say what are they. Icon level filtering Account level filtering allow you to create a mail filter for your domain main account. So if you don't want someone to get your email, you can do that. And the rest of them, I don't think so. You don't need it. And I'm just gonna go about the email. That okay. We're gonna go all the way to files. File Manager is our built-in web application for managing your website files from your personal computer. For example, let's open it. You see, you have a full control. You can make the permission. Basically, it's the FTP software, but in your Windows. You don't need an extra one. You can upload. You can download. You can delete, change the password. You can make it password protected, the file, all that. And disk space, you show you how many disk space you have. The FTP account, it basically you can create an FTP account for your client. So if you need a FTP account, FTP means someone that without a username and password, they can go on it. So and now let's go to logs. Logs basically show you your activity on your website. Okay, so the first one is the latest visitor. Basically a feature that displays information about the last 300 people that visit your website. Bandwidth. A feature allow you to see how your bandwidth is being used. Webalizer. Learn you about the web feature like compile and analyze information on your website. For example, I'm going to click on that. And I choose my domain. I'll just show you static of what's going on. But you don't have to use any of these instead of this one. AW stats. If you use that, you get everything you need. You get the daily report, monthly report, hourly report. See, based on the hour, countries, everything, a very detailed report you're gonna get. So you're not gonna need anything on that. This is the best you need. For security session, the first is the password protected directory, which give you access. I'm just gonna put the whole thing. Give you which folder have a password protected. Like this folder has password protected. This folder is password, and it can show you and choose the password for each of them. IP deny manager. If you get someone that is just bugging your website, hacking your website, you just make him that domain get denied. The SSL allow you to manage your SSL TLS key certification and sign-in request. And the rest of them you're not going to use. I'm just going to go quickly on it. The SSL shell access is allow you to connect to your server remotely. I'm just going to jump from this and come here because we have a lot to go on. I'm going to go on the domains. Domains, subdomains. It's going to area to allow you to create this and manage subdomains. Basically, you go here and you create any subdomain you want and you forward it to anywhere. Add a domain. To this feature basically let you add a domain, so your host have a two domain. Park domain. To create a manage a park domain as like a, you have to, that's what I'm gonna say. Redirect, like if you want to redirect your domain to somewhere else, or if it's part of your domain to someone else, like I was saying, mobile is gonna go to this part. And let's go to the database. Database, this MySQL database, that's where you create your main database. See, customers and all of them. Okay. As soon as you create them, you make the username, and then here you can go on look at your database in detail. You look at inside, look at your customers, everything you need in a detail. So after that, we're gonna go softwares. I'm just gonna go over them because I'm gonna be out of time soon. The best one is Fantasy Deluxe and Sophocles. Fantasy Deluxe, it let you do add Joomlas and other softwares. Sophocles, it give you add a lot of other stuff. It's very cool stuff to use. But I'm gonna be out of time, so we're gonna finish this session. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Please comment, and if you have any question about the Cpanel, and if you have a question how to join our $49.99 a year hosting. Have a good day. Bye bye.